Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to use Grok AI to create realistic multi-character lip sync. You'll learn how to animate two talking characters and sync their voices perfectly using Grok AI. Watch the podcast section.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a global conversation we all need. Global trust is falling apart, but cooperation matters now more than ever.
No nation can handle climate, health, or economic threats alone. We either rise together or fall together. Cooperation is survival.
People worldwide are demanding leaders who choose unity over isolation. Across continents, communities are proving cooperation creates real change.
The world is changing fast, but unity gives us power. Thank you for joining us. Let's keep building a world that works together.
Okay, to do the multiple character lip sync in a podcast studio, the first thing we're going to do is I wrote the script on ChatGPT. This is it. It contains 8 shots, and this is the fourth shot. In the first shot, the first character will speak. In the first 2 shots, the first shot and the second shot, the first character will speak. And I also instructed ChatGPT to write the character definition for each, so that Grok AI will identify the 2 characters. It also includes the cinematic shot. It includes the dialogue, where one particular character has to speak in this shot, possibly for the next 2 shots, for the other character to take over. We are doing it because Grok AI, the free versions, allows for about 6 seconds. So 6 seconds may not be enough for 2 characters to speak. So I'm making it 2 short for each character. 2 short for each character. We also have the hyper realistic image prompt. Okay, let us start from the first character. Shot 1. Copy this. Copy this. Then I go to Grok AI. That's a grok.com. Grok.com. It open this interface. You either go to create image, or I go to imagine to create the video. Okay, you can see this is Grok AI. This is Grok AI. So we have options here, but the right hand side, either you want to create an image or you want to create a video. I'm creating a video, and the aspect ratio says 2:3. We have 3:2. We have 1:1. I'm choosing the large screen, the wide screen, which is 3:2 aspect ratio. Click here, then I paste the prompt. Then I click on this icon to generate the video.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a global conversation we all need.
Okay, that is it. You can see. That is it. This is the first shot. The first character will speak in this shot. So what we are going to do is to download this. You can see the cinematic video, the hyperrealism, and the environment. Okay, now we want to create the second shot, and to do that, we have to
Welcome, everyone.
This is the frame, and drag the frame to the end.
Welcome, everyone.
Or where she stops speaking.
Today, we're diving into a global conversation we all need.
Okay. So we can start from here. We don't have to wait till the end. Start because she stops speaking at this particular time. That's why I stop it. Then what I'm going to do is to right click, and go to copy video frame. This is copy video frame. And click on it. Go back to imagine. type to imagine, then I paste the video frame here that I copied because I want the conversation to continue from the last frame. Then I will paste it here. Yes, you can see it's uploaded already. That is it. So I go back to ChatGPT to copy this. The character still speak. The same character is speaking. The same character is speaking. Copy it. I come to this place. Then I paste it here. Then the next thing I generate.
Global trust is falling apart, but cooperation matters now more than ever.
Okay, we can decide to redo it. We can decide to redo it so that she will not disrupt the environment. For example, you can say, okay, let's do it again. Oh, do it again, do it again. Let's see what they give to us.
Global trust is falling apart, but cooperation matters now more than ever.
Aha, good. Good. I don't, you can see that I have to remove that aspect that it has to stand up. Yeah, I don't want it to stand up. Okay. Okay. So that is it. That is it. That is it. So what I want to do now is to download this. Download this. Oh, download it and shift it to the end of the frame. Then what I'm going to do is to right click, copy video frame, because I want to continue from here so that the other characters will also, the other character will speak. Then click here and paste it here. Aha, we can see now. So shot 3. We go to shot 3, the third shot. Then it's time for character B to speak. Yeah. Click on it. Paste it. Then I generate.
No nation can handle climate, health, or economic threats alone. No nation can handle.
That is it. That is it. Then download this. The second character speaking now. Then go to the end of the frame. Copy video frame. Go back to imagine. Then paste it. I go to the fourth shot. The fourth one. Okay. Because character B has to speak again. Okay. Paste it. Then generate.
We either rise together or fall together. Cooperation is survival.
Okay. Okay. We're going to start from here. Copy video frame. Copy the frame. And come to this place. Yeah. Then we'll go to shot 5. Shot 5. It's time for Maya to speak now. Dr. Maya to speak now. That's the female. Okay. Paste shot 5 here and enter.
People worldwide are demanding leaders who choose unity over isolation. People worldwide are demanding leaders who choose unity over isolation.
Okay, we have it here. download it. Okay, you can see, you can look at the character behavior, the posture, like a studio argument or whatsoever. You can decide to redefine their composure. You can decide to make them calm, right in the prompt that you want a calm posture between both of them, and it will give you the result. So we are starting from here, we are starting from here, we are starting from here. Then we'll have to copy video frame again. We go to, yeah, then we go for shot 6. Shot 6. Maya is still speaking. Maya is still speaking. Okay. Then after Maya, the next shot. Okay.
Communities are proving cooperation creates real change.
Okay, good. Then go back there and copy video frame. Then go back and we are preparing for the 7th one before the last one. Then we go to shot, which Daniel speak. Yeah, this shot now Daniel speak. And we paste it. Okay, you just have to look at the character definitions, rewrite the prompt, instruct ChatGPT to rewrite the prompt the way you want. If you're a scriptwriter, you can write on your own and to control their behavior, the whatsoever. You want them to sit calmly, okay. So what you are seeing is what we are giving them from the script.
The world is changing fast, but unity gives us power.
Good. Then you have to download this. The instruction is that the podcaster will face the camera as if they are talking to the audience, and what is happening perfectly reflected. Copy video frame. Then go to Imagine, come to this place and paste. This is the last one, shot 8. The character B, we have to finalize it. Wow. You have to finalize it. And we come to this place and we'll paste it here. Yeah. Daniel will be the last speaker. Wow.
Thank you for joining us. Let's keep building a world that works together.
Wow, that is it. That is it. Let's download this. We are done with the video generation. You can see the multiple lip sync. You will see it by the time we arrange them. So the next thing we are going to do is, if you have a CapCut, you can do that in a CapCut. Is to go to a video editor. I'm using Filmora. Then import media files. I have them here, all the 8 videos here. I can say, I have to name them. Okay. We are there now. So let's see.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a global conversation we all need. Global trust is falling apart, but cooperation matters now more than ever.
No nation can handle climate, health, or economic threats alone. We either rise together or fall together. Cooperation is survival.
People worldwide are demanding leaders who choose unity over isolation. Across continents, communities are proving cooperation creates real change.
The world is changing fast, but unity gives us power. Thank you for joining us. Let's keep building a world that works together.
Okay.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're
gives us power.
So I've showed you
change.
how to erase
the world
in this scene. Our hair was about to grow, something of that nature. You can always make that correction. So that is it. That is how to use Grok AI. Grok AI to create a podcast with multiple character, multiple lip sync. Both of them will be talking and discussing and address a certain social issue. Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel and share.